If you have ever used a token, traded an NFT, or interacted with any Solana app like Magic Eden, Phantom, Pump.fun, or even Star Atlas, then you have used the Metaplex protocol even if you didn't know it. And that's kind of the point. Metaplex is so deeply integrated into the Solana ecosystem that it's become an invisible infrastructure. It just works. But now, it's time we actually shine a light on what it is, how powerful it is, and why it should matter to everyone in Web3, not just developers. So, what is Metaplex? Metaplex is the protocol for creating and managing digital assets on Solana. At its core, it's a set of smart contracts and tools that makes it easy to mint NFTs, store token metadata, create token collections, and more, all directly on chain. It's what enables you to launch new tokens, make them tradable, assign utility to them, and ensure they are secure, scalable, and permanent. It's like the engine under the hood of almost every major NFT or token-based app on Solana. So, why is it so popular? For starters, it's super fast. Solana is already known for its high speed and low fees, and Metaplex was built specifically to match that scale. It supports millions of users and real-time asset updates, all while staying decentralized. It's also easy to build on. Metaplex gives developers standardized way to create and manage digital assets, which means less time building the basics and more time focusing on innovation. Projects like Magic Eden use it to list and trade NFTs. Phantom uses it to display your wallet assets. Pump.fun uses it to launch new meme tokens in minutes. So as you can see, it's practically the foundation of all digital assets creation on Solana. But here's where things get interesting for non-devs, and this is super important. You don't need to write a single line of code to benefit from Metaplex. If you're a founder, you can launch your token economy using Metaplex-powered platforms. If you're a community builder, you can use Metaplex tools to mint access passes, loyalty NFTs, or event tickets, all on-chain, all tradable. If you're an artist, Metaplex lets you publish your work as NFTs, assign metadata, and sell them on marketplaces. If you're an investor or collector, it ensures the assets you hold have a verifiable history and are safely stored on-chain. Even for casual users, Metaplex improves your Web3 experience without you noticing. When you open your Phantom wallet and you see your NFT connection, that's Metaplex. When you click buy on an NFT in Magic Eden and it instantly appears in your wallet, that's Metaplex too. My favorite example of Metaplex in action has to be Pump.fun. Pump.fun is like the ultimate degen playground. You can spin up a meme coin in a few clicks, trade it with your friends, and watch the chart go wild. But under the hood, it's all powered by Metaplex compressed NFTs and token metadata protocol. That's what makes it possible to scale to thousands of tokens with near zero cost, all while keeping it fully on-chain. Without Metaplex, Pump.fun simply wouldn't be possible at that scale or speed. So let's say I want to build a Web3 project of my own, even if I'm not a developer. Here's what I will do using Metaplex. I would create a community-powered learning hub. Imagine this. Each course or workshop is tied to an NFT certificate powered by Metaplex. When you complete a course, you mint a proof of learning NFT that shows up in your wallet. That NFT could unlock access to advanced lessons, private communities, or even real-world events. I will use Metaplex token metadata standard to add attributes like grade, badges, or achievements. Now, take it a step further. What if users could trade or stake these NFTs for other perks? What if they could level them up? That's also possible because Metaplex isn't just a minting tool. It's an entire ecosystem of smart contracts that lets you build dynamic, upgradable, and composable assets. You don't have to be technical to dream big in Web3. Metaplex makes it real. At the end of the day, Metaplex is not just an infrastructure, it's an empowerment. It gives builders superpowers, it gives users ownership, and it gives creators the ability to go global without needing permission from any platform. So the next time you mint a token, buy an NFT, or just open your Solana wallet, remember, you are not just using a product, you are standing on top of one of the most powerful protocols in the Solana ecosystem, and that protocol is Metaplex.